Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
From Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you, if you've got any dry powder left, we're bringing you the Black Friday special on Sunday.
That's it.
So we've got the third medal in today.
Yeah.
This one is a little bit of a, I would say it's a little bit of a, I don't know what I'd say it is.
You're the one saying it.
I am. I love Platinum. I mean, I've spoken at length about Platinum. And this is a first year release, which I always find a bit exciting because you never know where the series is going to end up.
Yes.
So it's kind of that, you know, it's almost like going out on your first date.
Well, that's it. If a series becomes super popular and people go, hey, that's great, I'm going to go, start collecting this one, and they go back and try and chase that first one. Yeah. It's not always easy to get a hold of, depending on the series.
You'd be amazed the number of people that have been in this week asking for the 1 ounce Platinum mouse.
Yes.
Because no one wanted them. I'd kick off and now everyone wants them.
Yeah.
Anyway, back on topic. This is the 1/10 Platinum Koala. The first year Perth Mints produced them. A great design this year. I actually really like the 23 design that they've used. And then Queen Lizzie on the back. So we are doing, we have a number of them, but we don't have buckets and buckets and buckets of them. Mm-hmm. And we are doing them at $35 over spot, which is almost about half the premium that we normally charge for these. So they are a big buy. If you're into platinum, and this is fractional platinum, don't forget, it becomes like an incredibly good price actually. And first in the series, you never know where this series is going to go. So it's a good buy. There are limited numbers. I don't think we'll sell out instantaneously. I think they'll take a few hours, but I've been proven wrong before.
Yeah.
So grab them while you can if they're in your budget and you're actually looking for something, you know, a bit different and a bit platinum-y and even a bit fractionally.
Good stuff. All right. Well, there is that. We've got one more to go, Michael.
We do have one more to go. And to be honest, I'll be a little relieved when we're finished because I'm just about done.
All right. Bring on Cyber Monday. See you then, everyone.
Have fun. See ya.